Cary, talk to me a little bit about what you feel are some missing capabilities of security teams today.
Missing capabilities. It's probably the integrated workflows and putting in place, a really nice streamlined workflows for your analysts so that when they need something, it's there, it's ready, it's in place, and they can click through and get the evidence they need. Uh, we see some teams doing that, but that all the firefighting gets in the way, and sometimes you've got to figure out how to down tools and put in place the workflows that you need, because once you do that, it just makes life so much easier. You can really get to the evidence you need very quickly, work through the problems, figure out which security threats to investigate and which you don't, and you're not tripping over yourselves and not trying to do, what do they call it? The armchair swivel from one tool to another. You don't want
Right.
to do that. Yeah. You want it to be smooth. You want to be able to bring new people in and have them understand your environment easily without having to learn lots of esoteric tools. So workflow, I'd say that's the key.
Nice. And I've actually heard a lot from the industry lately about paring down technology, advancing the workflow, advancing the process flow, and by design that ends up actually reducing the number of human hours. Do you think that's kind of what you're alluding to?
Exactly. Yeah. If you can focus the human, the not the artificial intelligence, the real intelligence, if you can focus that in on the real serious threats and take the hours out of the trivial threats. You don't want to spend hours and hours investigating something only to find, oh, that's not an issue at all. That's just a trivial issue that I shouldn't have spent so much time on. You want to spend your expertise on the real serious threats. And if you can get to them early and quickly, that actually reduces the amount of time you need to spend on them. Obviously, if you can stop a threat early in its kill chain, uh, the amount of work that you save is exponentially reduced. So yeah, I'd say that's key.